Well, today's fun project is to take out our horizons because we're tired of the horizon washers, right, Willie?
Yep.
So we got 3 out of order on this side, and on the other side we got 2. So the plan is this laundromat has too many horizons. It has too many soft mount machines. So what we're going to do is we're going to redo this island completely. We're going to move our top loaders from this side, and we're going to put 10 top loaders right down this all the way to the pop machine. We'll actually make this island about 5 foot longer here. It'll come out to about here. Between the wall and the end of the island, it'll be about 5 foot. You'll have top loaders this whole, all the way to the front door. We're going to move these machines over here more and make this a 5 foot alleyway. Take the chairs out here. These big machines, when you walk in the door in this laundromat, you got your 40s and you got your 60s. They're all going to be relocated right along here, and we're going to do 2 80s, 4 60s, and 2 40s. The other thing we're going to do is we're going to get rid of the plumbing and electrical that runs through the ceiling. It's all going to run down through the floor and into the back wall. By doing that, we could take out our false ceiling, which I hate. I absolutely hate false ceilings in laundromats. It'll open it up, it'll make it seem bigger in here, and that's what we're up to. So. This got to be thrown away too, it's garbage. Well, eventually, not today. Willie gets all excited there. I know, you start throwing it out on me. But you told me it was garbage. Yeah, just hang on. First I gotta get it down to the floor, and then I gotta start unplugging them. That thing's biggest. Ready? I'm just gonna spin around. I'm not too terribly worried about the floor.
Towards me, right?
No. Towards me.
Okay.
Got it. All right, open up the door.
I couldn't carry that out, no.
Here, you want to take the rest of the way?
I can see right here.
Oh, I gotta find the cord. There's a cord. This one's also unhooked. Oh, they're a pain to come out. I'm going to tell you that right now, folks. They're a pain running, and they're a pain coming out. I want to show you the world's worst plumbing job. Look at this. And look, it goes down at an angle. Look at that. I mean, when your plumber tells you, and these are 1.5 inches. When your equipment dealer tells you they're not a plumber, hire a plumber. Big mistake on this laundromat. What we're doing here is we're going to rip all this out, but we're basically, since we're moving these machines over, we're going to build a whole new bulkhead here, hook up this side, get it running, keep the big ones running, then we're going to rip out all this and then pour new floors for the concrete pads for the big machines, and then we're going to take the big machines and just start lining them up. So Willie is way better than he is pallet jack. I'm just letting you know. Hopefully it doesn't fall over. Now there's 2. Let's keep going.
Don't forget to subscribe, and you want more of this? Hit the like button.
We just keep going. Keep finding electrical cords. This one's actually hooked up. This one actually works, I think. So we're gonna. I got it. I hear water.
It's coming over there. Yeah, the white part.
This one we're just going to move out of our way. Well, we're going to create a big flooded mess, huh? Added a laundromat. You'll make a bunch of money, and then we're excited when we find 50 cents under a machine.
I know, right?
Ready?
Yeah. Yep. Got it.
Yeah, not really. We're just going to set this one over here, I think. Yeah, that's coming out. We'll clean all this up, cap all those off, and that's it.
It's not going to look the same in here.
Not really. I mean, it'll still be a laundromat.
I know, it's just going to be different. I remember y'all did this
Yeah.
years ago.
It was a bomb then, wasn't it?
Yeah. This is what the dude was working with you then.
Yeah. Dan?
Dan, yeah.
Handyman gone bad, right?
I wonder what happened to him.
Well, he just got it mouthy, so I had to fire him.
He started talking crazy.
I know. He started talking shit.
Stupid.
You want to push on this? Because I'm going to put it over there.
Okay.
Yep, just push on it. Oh, there we go, Willie. You ate your Wheaties today, didn't you?
Oh, I went to sleep last night.
Oh, I found a pothole. All right, we got to set it down without slamming. God, these things are a pain in the ass. Poor floor, I'm going to have to sand it. Well, I got to get the butt end of this up here.
That's going to be fun.
I know, this is the sucky part about how they designed this.
Now we got to go.
Nah, there's...
Now push it.
Now push it up. No, we're not done yet. We got to rock it back and pick it up. Hang on. This is why when you build these platforms, do not just do 2 boards. Put plywood across it, because see, this is what happens. You end up fighting it. Yeah, it would just slid right across.
Yeah.
But the guys that install this, they're cheap. And that extra little bit of wood just isn't in their budget. All right, I'm gonna push up.
You want me to show you when to push back?
And I'm gonna have you push back. I'm ready. All right. Do it again. Yep. Don't worry about my hands. I think I'm up.
Want me to get the broom?
I can't even imagine trying to tighten this from machines on both sides. This is why you gotta think about how you're gonna lay out these machines. Who was that?
Me a car or something like that, but I sold it.
Your girlfriend in here again? All right. Last one, Willie. Yeah, second to last one. These things get hung up on so much fucking crap.
So that wood.
Jesus. Yeah, that one sucked. We gotta pry this up now.
The whole thing go out?
Yeah, it should go out in one piece. All right, well that's heavy. No, get this end. Tip it up. There we go. what we'll do is we'll just, maybe not. Ugh. Coming?
Yep.
Kind of slow back there. I hate these concrete. Oh, I get it. That's what it looks like. Now that's old. Yeah, just go ahead. That's quarry tile and it's not very thick, so on that side we're gonna have to cut the floor, pour concrete, because this is only about 2-3 inches thick. But yeah, then you can see that bow in the pipe there. That's all got to come out. The new island will actually be right here. And we'll put in new top loaders right here. And then we'll tear out the rest of that. We'll just abandon all the pipes and the electrical. So we'll have 4'6" right here. And that'll be our alleyway. And the top loaders are 28 deep. So then that'll be the start of our island. So we'll lay that out so I can cut the floor, so I can run the electrical and plumbing underneath and not up above like the old one. It'll actually go underneath. So, and then top loaders will actually go out this way a little ways too. Once we move those, we'll actually be able to add on from here. It's in my way. So 4'3" right there, then 28. All right. What we're doing is laying out the length of this island. Okay, you can let go. Now I know where the end of my island's gonna be, roughly. So 4'3" and 28. Get in the back corner so I can figure out where I gotta cut the floor. And well, there you go. That's what it looks like. You can tell that's quarry tile, they call that. That's from it used to be a restaurant, it used to be a chicken restaurant. And that's all our plumbing there. We will reuse all the water lines. The drain lines we'll throw away, but we'll reuse that. And we'll reuse probably some of the electrical. We'll see. We'll see what ends up happening. But that island's only about 18 inches wide. The new one will be about the same. So. Might do 20 inches just to give us a little extra room. The reason I'm not too worried about getting behind the machines is since I have soft mount machines, top loaders on this side, pull those machines out and then get to the panels. Now when I build this island, these metal brackets will be tall enough, you see it, they'll be tall enough that you'll be able to get to all the screws and the water lines. Like none of these frame pieces will be in the way. So, lay out a couple different versions here. Would love to make it only like 12 inches wide, but the problem is you wouldn't have enough room for the connections in the back. Yeah, it will be the same. So we'll do 20. My concern is I don't want this island to be so narrow, and I want it so when people walk in, they see the biggest machines and they walk right by them. But you don't want it so narrow that you got people backed up to each other.